Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't lose against Brighton for the EFL Cup, aka Carabao Cup. So we lose 3-1 for that match. So the match get many talking points as our goalkeeper Carl made series of mistakes where Arsenal take lose. Arsenal not even first score. We don't even watch the match because I don't know, globally them block the match. So they say the broadcasters they prioritize some matches, say they go show Chelsea and Manchester United, show Nottingham Forest own, but they don't show that Arsenal one because there are so many sporting events which also they happened that yesterday. So now cup now nobody say one kind serious match like that. So people waiting for house. Like we will the Africa now, we don't see anything to watch. I don't even see any link to even watch them online. The people waiting for UK, USA, Canada, nobody could watch it at home unless you go for the stadium, go watch them again. We just see that maybe live commentary, audio, all those kinds of things now you're here. So I don't know whether I want to watch them, but for me, I couldn't watch the match. That's why we don't even go live yesterday to do pre-match analysis and halftime and full-time everything. So Arsenal lose again. So they say according to what I hear, I never even watched the highlights. They say the players try all their best, see them play well, see them lose a lot of chances that they could have scored more against. But when I even first see the lineup where Arteta used, that lineup they very significantly weaker because Brighton used like their first 11 apart from Trossard. Well, the lineup where they see Velman, they see Welbeck, they see Akasaido. What see you want? That's in the use senior men them now because them don't get anything to do. Now only league and cup they play. Who they play league, when they play cup, when they play Europe, can't kill ourselves now. We'll not be robots to get. So I believe that is why Arteta not really use plenty stars for that match. Get most of the stars are for Benjamin Lee. I think that when they done they knock us 3-1 because they put in the Jesus and the like self. So just to give them small game time, they just play ahead of the match or go play against Wolves again. So for me, I feel Arteta purposely sacrificed that cup, saying no need distraction. We know where we are going to, the league or the top 4 against. No want any unnecessary game we want to disturb us. I believe that's what's up. So don't forget the FA Cup is still there. This one I just Carabao Cup again. So more just sacrifice and say me the go chop. And nobody else come out. Arsenal come out. Man City beat Chelsea. Chelsea self come out. Nottingham Forest beat Tottenham Hotspur. So Spurs self don't come out. Liverpool escape penalty with Derby County again. Now Keller here will be their keeper and I help themselves. So at the end of the day, it is what it is. Now away from that, so for media settings, they're going to ask Arteta say how he takes see these mistakes where our goalkeeper do because many people going to criticize the goalkeeper. Say why Arteta no start Matt Turner? Why he go be saying a Carl will be like the third choice goalkeeper now he go start for this kind of competition. So Arteta can they explain say you see mistakes is normal. Say these mistakes that we Carl make now. Say now part of the learning process. You get now what to go help him improve. You get say people they talk say making start Matt Turner. If in start Matt Turner, how this Carl will take learn. Carl no they play Europa League, no they play league. That cups. Now there you go fit put them, make him play, making a learn. I've been a training, go play all in life. He needs experience too. You get anybody who never try something new, that person no go learn. You get if you never do, sometimes you go hear me they talk failure way to success. If you never try something new, how you go to learn mistakes? You get mistakes go make you learn. You get when you make mistakes, you learn and improve on it. So now what Arteta they try to do with Carl because they talk say him now instead they follow make mistakes even as a manager and all the players also they make mistakes respectively get including Carl. So this is what we do. Now mistake quite alright, now error, but he's going to learn from it and grow from it get, and he will still make more mistakes in his career. It is normal in football. Mistakes is inevitable. If you see Gabriel Magalhaes they make mistake, even Gabriel Jesus, all those going they miss, no be mistake, no be error get. So everybody is making mistakes. Nobody is perfect. One of our senior man waiting for our community where they call Ali Lucky. Baba sent us 5k. Yes, he says I should send me your answer. Send me your answer. As I said, Baba just send me 5k. I later come understand say Baba said they play professional football. They play for MFM Football Club of Nigeria. Now the guy they play, so just say Baba, and also you say you be footballer, so we go pray for you. Say one day you say you go reach the greatest height of football. Maybe one club for Europe, we can carry you, we go play for there, and we wish you all the best things life has to offer. So Baba, anyway they support us, the see money to support us. May God replenish your pocket in Jesus' name and inshallah. Get out, boss. Away from that, so Zinchenko don't come as I call the advice Mikel Arteta say make him sign Michalo Mudryk where they play for Shakhtar Donetsk. You get, you know, say the guy, two of them they play for Ukraine, so they be teammates for country level. You get, and everybody knows say Arsenal really interested in the guy. Even Fabrizio Romano come outside before talk and say Arsenal won't sign him. The difference now money with the drag. Arsenal the reason that kind of 40, 45, 50 million pounds at most. Then Shakhtar the reason 60, 65 million pounds and above. So we never know who go compromise. So more just watch as that one go. Also for the media, so Arteta can talk say, well, we don't lose, we say we don't lose against Brighton. So in they very, very sorry. So we lose. So you know be so in plan everything, no, you get. Say input the team out to win. Don't be say input the team out to me they go lose. And truly we wasted a lot of chances. In the second half we could have scored 2 or 3 according to Arteta, but it dey happen like that sometimes. Now football. And for those who they criticize the squad, say if you get the opportunity to select a squad again for this kind of cup again, say go select this kind of squad again. So the major team is say this Brighton side we are more efficient than us, get. And when you say somebody was more efficient than it means the person is better than you because the person had a better team put forward, you get. So we get bigger fish to fry. Like Arteta they talk, say let's turn our attention to the big game we have, the final big game before the World Cup will start. You get, every World Cup break, now everybody will go to their respective countries, you get. So we are playing Wolves. So after that one, everybody will go Stephanie. So our prayer and will make sure so we end on the top of the table after the Wolves match. So my logo believes that Juventus don't come the reason Arsenal say they would like to sign Nuno Tavares. Get say they like the way the guy they play, so they would like to sign him. And you know say them now their own left back where they get for that player now Filip Kostic. And Kostic is 30 years old, so the reason say they need a younger player full of pace, speed, vibrant, get energetic. Now they define Kostic they sign up from Eintracht Frankfurt after they win the Europa League. So the reason say Tavares is going to be the best person to come and play for them. So the question now is, should Arteta go allow Nuno Tavares go? Because some people they feel say Tavares is unwanted at Arsenal. Say the guy has surplus to requirements. Because when you check the Arsenal squad, you have a Tomiyasu that can play left back. We have Kylian, you have a Zinchenko. You get, so if you say you want to bring in a Tavares back, where is he going to play in the future? You may have an unhappy player in your ranks. Get, and the guy that person will say, if you still pursue him, I will not go feel him. So what do you think? Juventus coming for Tavares? I mean, I go even talk say we'll still loan the guy after all. Saliba go out on loan like three times. We'll still loan him after myself. We still give them loan again, or if you want him on loan, we'll give them out on loan. Make the guy they develop because the guy is still very, very young. This kind of guy said, don't be surprised in the future they will convert him to a winger, an attacking player, because the guy in a fullback will like to go forward and he like to score goals. He has an eye for goal. So much of the watchers since they go in January. Our Saliba don't get a France World Cup call up for the World Cup. You get, so I'll be very, very happy with Saliba. Saliba is one of the Shola names now. No, everybody expects say they will call him up. No contention for his name. So they're happy with Saliba. Apart from Saliba, Granit Xhaka said don't get in World Cup call for Switzerland. So instead did there, we did happy with that one. Said na Shola. You don't call Granit Xhaka. Who they won't come for? So apart from Granit Xhaka, then Matt Turner said don't get USA call. So instead they don't list time for the USA squad. So we are very, very happy with Matt Turner also. So we don't get like some of our players who don't get called. So the people will say with the looks they never call. Like today now, Alan Shearer they talk say Ben White deserves a call to the World Cup. You get, say make England make sure say they select them, because when you check the England setup, does it say Ben White can play right back? Now right back he don't they play for Arsenal this season since the introduction of William Saliba. Now since that right back when he don't meet a lot of powerful wingers, we play against them and he nullify them. So then they tell Gareth Southgate say make sure you select him, because Gareth Southgate get injury problems. People like Ben Chilwell will get injury. Then Rhys James, that one he don't even call Rhys James already and say I will not select you for the World Cup. So no reason now. Trent Alexander-Arnold do they play right back? That one know they trusted, you know they informed. See the way Liverpool they play. They know they play very well. So we are looking at Ben White as the main man where they go fit bring. Another person where they fit, where they play very well this season is Kieran Trippier. Trippier they play for the Newcastle and he's playing fullback. It's very, very good, very pacey, energetic, and he they informed. You get. So they are looking at okay, Trippier first choice, then putting a Ben White at second choice where they fit. Kyle Walker when they play for Man City, he they injured, they get groin problem now. But they are looking at the fact say in they close to recovery. So will you be taking a 70% fit Kyle Walker as against a 100% fit Ben White when they play for Arsenal at the top of the table? Who did you choose? and Ben White can give you two different vibes. He can also deputize as a center back depending on the formation where you want to play in a certain game. You get, so that's why people they talk say choose your 3P, choose your Ben White. You get, leave all these guys that are injured. It's a blessing in disguise for Ben White. But today, now England will do their own World Cup selection. Now by 2 p.m, now Gareth Southgate say he won't choose his list. He will announce them to the world. And according to what I hear from FIFA, every country gets up to the 13th of November to list their squad. You get, let us know the squad they are taking. But we are saying that today England will do their own by 2 p.m. So all eyes on that time where Gareth Southgate they do in press conference will list out who they play. So I'm expecting to see Ben White name there. If I don't see the name, man, I'll be gutted. I'll be disappointed because they don't really do away. Away from that, so Odegaard self don't come outside and talk say, well, what they ask us, so whether Arsenal go fit win the league, this and that. So Baba can talk say, it is nice. So they look the list, the table, they see Arsenal as number one. It's a nice feeling. It's good. It's good. Saying like but now after 13 games, we don't did there fine. Say the league still foul. But so what they will do is they will take a game after game to make sure say they end up for better place at the end of the season. After the World Cup, they will reconvene. And don't forget that people like I think Zinchenko, I don't know that Zinchenko even qualified for World Cup. It's like he's not going. Then Odegaard, I think Odegaard is not going. Then we get some kind of our players we know they go World Cup at all. Gabriel Magalhaes is not going. You get, so they go day together, they train. You get, so they go day fresh. You get, no issues. They go day fresh. And don't let I forget Tomiyasu said they selected him in Japan. No, I don't understand before, but I think I can remind you that they selected him in Japan. And I think I don't confirm say in injury, no be long time injury, we gonna make him miss the World Cup. So he's still going to be available. You get, so let's just see how other things go. So the guy they talk say we'll take a game by game. Then at the end of 38 games, we'll see where we did. On my way from that, goal.com finally let us know say Arsenal don't enter the race to sign Samuel CHUKS of Villarreal. Now the number one question be say where this guy will play for signer. Is he the kind of player we need in our setup? Will he fit into our style of play? I know the guy they very tricky, they pacey, they dribble, but is he actually what we need? You get, because when you are playing in another league, I don't want to hear acclimatization. I would prefer to sign somebody where they known to the league itself. You get, that one go make sense. No time for acclimatizing. You get, so look at Fabio Vieira. Since when he joined Arsenal, how many EPL games he don't play? The excuse is that we are trying to integrate him because he's coming from a different league, a different weather, a different country. Acclimatization. Now what to the year when people dey acclimatize, integrate. Gone are those days. Give us somebody that will hit the ground running back. Coming. Not be Luis Diaz come from Porto, come join Liverpool the first season, they score like mad. Why no I do acclimatize? If you good, I beg. So that is what you are looking at. So I don't know what you think about this Samuel CHUKS. Should Arsenal be going for him? At the same time, Arsenal self can consider to send Marquinhos out on loan for January. Yes. So many of our sources when they let us know this one, and they remind us that when Arsenal first signed this guy, they were pondering to send him out on loan. So now Arteta can't block the loan move. But say no, saying they see some kind of potential in this guy. Say the guy go they use for all those kind of Europa League and Cups. Maybe they still keep him. That's why he no go out on loan. That's why I say he no play many games. I don't think he has played enough in EPL. Maybe cameo appearances he get. So now for January they look say some new reinforcements will come. Maybe the guy no come be surplus to requirements, no come they play, maybe no come they waste for bench. So the reason say by January he will be sent out on loan because we are hoping to sign some wingers who can come complement either Martinelli or Bukayo Saka or somebody that can play even both wings. You get. So anyway they go January, I will let you know. If you never subscribe to our show, what's the wait now, my brothers and sisters? I beg you can help us subscribe to our show, make our YouTube program they go far, make they get wider reach, because the way YouTube they operate, the more subscribers you have, they will give you more reach. I beg. So most people say no, they even get our notification if they go live, and the reason is because you never subscribe, you never on the notification button. So that's the reason why you need to get all these things. So and our statistics they show us say we get more viewers when they watch the show, we don't even be a subscriber than the subscribers themselves. Again, so I beg, all you have to do is to create an account on YouTube with your Gmail, and that's what you need to do, and subscribe and help us to grow. Like our show, comment and share it, and as you do so, may God bless you. So by the media setting, when they ask Arteta, say, what's the sup with Gabriel Magalhaes? The fact say they no invite him for the Brazilian setup. So how it take this year? So Arteta when they explain, say, well, it is a disappointment as he did like this now. He's disappointed, he's gutted, say, they're happy with everything where they go on. And at the same time, he understands, say, the people waiting for that Brazilian setup, they're senior and you get people like Thiago Silva, people like Kipembe of PSG, people like Marquinhos, they get a lot of centre backs for their ranks, and that is why they no go fit select them to get. And another thing we say, most of them they're older than him, so the coach will look, so you are still young, your time is coming, just be patient. All those guys Thiago Silva in the next 4 years, you are not expecting to see them again. You don't go ever see them. They no go there and say they want to go World Cup. If now any South American competition, they can select Gabriel Magalhaes in the future. So now once Arteta take the console him, and at the same time Arteta can tell and say, make him calm down, you get. In the future, your time will come, and take this as a challenge, you get, so that you can get better on your craft. That is what Arteta is planning for him. So just chill. And for Arsenal self now, a positive, because now he don't go overstress himself. All the lengthy game time when they play for Arsenal, he go Dubai, because Arteta they plan to go Dubai, go stay for 3 weeks with the team. They'll get some kind of bonding, camaraderie, refreshments, get, they'll come chill for there. So instead go rest. And at the same time, Arteta they talk, say people like Fabio Vieira, we even miss the entire preseason, will use this opportunity, stay for Dubai, understand the philosophy of the coach, you get, learn how everything go, because that is one of the reasons why they never really play Fabio Vieira for the EPL, because he had no time to understand the coach's philosophy in preseason, you get. He came in, he was injured for about 2 months. That is one of the things. So it is what it is. So if you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and see that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out.